Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Sport D300 Autobiography. With an eye-catching Charente Grey Exterior complementing the digital LED headlights. Also coming fitted with 22-inch alloy wheels as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Sport also benefits from a full service history. Also coming fitted with the D300 295 brake horsepower engine, getting you from 0 to 60 in just 6.8 seconds while still averaging up to 36 miles per gallon. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as the electric window controls, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 22-way heated and cooled front massage seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Also coming fitted with head-up driver's display as well as a ClearSight interior rear view mirror. Coming down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. Not to forget, as a part of the Land Rover approved programme, this Range Rover Sport also comes with 12 months warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.